This is another set of questions where we apply the process of rationalization. If you look at this question, you have been given x plus a in under root minus x minus a in under root divided by the same figures, only the sign is opposite. So what we are going to do is we are going to multiply and divide with the same element. So if you look at with this, if we cut it, it will be 1 only. But we have multiplied and divided. Why? Because a plus b, a minus b's formula will be made, and with the help of that we will be just taking off the under roots. If this is our a, this is our b, this is a plus b, this is a minus b. On both the sides it is same, so it can be easily converted into any formula. So if first of all we will look at the numerator. Looking at the numerator, these two values are exactly same. So it is a minus b square. This formula is a minus b whole square. So we can write here is this is our a, x plus a minus x minus a, this is our b whole square, because 2 times it has been the same thing. And below, if you say it is a plus b, a minus b. So a, it will be a square plus b square. So we have just summed up this question in this simple format. So now if we look at this second step, this is a minus b. So what is the formula of a minus b whole square? That is a square, x plus a whole square plus b square, that is x minus a whole square minus 2ab. So our a is x plus a into our b is x minus a, divided by, below this will be deleted, it is x plus a, it will be deleted, plus x minus a. So below our a can be cancelled, it will be here minus, because it is a square minus b square. So by taking this, it will be minus, it will be plus. So our x will be cancelled, and below it will be 2a. This will also be cancelled. Let us write down in detail what we are left with. Here it is x plus a plus x minus a minus 2 under root x plus a and x minus a. If we put both of these under roots under 1, that is x plus a, x minus a. So inside one root we can put this, it will be divided by 2a. So here also we can delete 1a. So if we want to solve this further, this 1 upon 2a can be kept outside, and inside it will be 2x minus 2, and in the under root we can put x square minus a square, because this is a plus b, a minus b. Again it can be written in the format of a square minus b square. Now we will step forward towards its derivative. Now taking the derivative of this, that is dy upon dx, 1 upon 2a we are keeping outside. So if we take the derivative of 2x, of course it will be 1 minus 2. So derivative of or we can do one thing, we can just take 2 also common here before taking the derivative. So if we take 2 common, and it will be cut with the below 2, so it will be 1 upon a, derivative of x is 1 minus, then it will be 1 upon 2 root x square into a square, again a derivative of x square minus a square. So this will be the result. So taking this derivative further, 1 upon a minus 1 upon 2 root x square into a square, its derivative will be coming out to be 2x minus 0. So again this will be deleted. So our final answer will be 1 upon a 1 minus x divided by under root x square into a square.